Hold on to your seats, folks, because the Samsung news train is speeding down the tracks. Brace yourselves for some electrifying details about not one, but two upcoming budget-friendly Samsung smartphones. We've got the inside scoop on the Galaxy A05 and the Galaxy A15, and boy, are they setting the tech world on fire. Just yesterday, the curtain was lifted on the Galaxy A15's stunning design, giving us a tantalizing glimpse into the future of Samsung's phone aesthetics for 2025. And if that wasn't enough, we've got more for you today. Feast your eyes on the leaked images of the Galaxy A05, showcasing its sleek design and a range of vibrant color options. Get ready to be wowed, because the Galaxy A05 is packing some serious heat. It boasts a generous 6.7-inch screen with HD+ resolution and an Infinity U notch that'll make your jaw drop. But the real showstoppers are its cameras. A whopping 50-megapixel primary camera on the back, paired with a 2-megapixel depth camera, and an 8-megapixel selfie camera on the front. Say cheese, because this phone can shoot full HD 30 videos with both its front and rear cameras. As we revealed in an earlier sneak peek. Colors, anyone? The Galaxy A05 is coming in not one, not two, but three stunning shades: black, light green/mint, and silver. But that's not all. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 processor, with options for 4GB or 6GB of RAM, and storage galore with choices of 64GB or 128GB, plus a dedicated microSD card slot. And guess what? It's running the latest Android 13 straight out of the box. Sure, it did not have 5G or a fingerprint reader, but it's got Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, a USB Type-C port, and music to our ears, a trusty 3.5mm headphone jack. Australians, New Zealanders, and folks in Southeast Asia, get ready to snag this gem, because the Galaxy A05 is coming your way. And don't forget the pièce de resistance, a hefty 5,000 mAh battery to keep you powered up all day long. Hold the phone, though. There's a surprise in store. Initial speculations pegged this baby with 15W fast charging, but hold on to your hats. ENS Power User spills the beans that the Galaxy A05 is packing a blazing 25W fast charging feature. That's right, Samsung might just be cranking up the speed for all its phones and tablets in the near future. So folks, stay tuned for more updates on these affordable Samsung sensations. The future of budget-friendly smartphones is looking brighter than ever. Peace out.